Hey, welcome back to campustech. If you're missing the home button, which was very handful, so in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make the home button on your screen, which called a floating home button. You can, so by simple go into the setting. So just go into the setting, go a little down, you'll find accessibility. Go to the accessibility, and little further down you'll see this is a tab called touch. Just click on it, and then after that you'll find assistive touch. So when you hit on this, and you need to turn on this thing, and you will find this thing. This is a floating button, and you can move anywhere in the screen, and this kind of you can use as a home button. So let's try, and you can just make some custom settings here. See the custom action, single tap, double tap, and long press. So let's make it a single tap. You can use you can add any application or anything by simple tap. It will open that application. So let's make it to the home. So whenever I'm gonna open something, and when I hit that button, it will bring it to me home button, like the home to the home page, I mean, like a home button. So if you like that video, thumbs up, and see you in the next video.